Hey guys, hope everyone is staying safe and healthy. I have a super exciting video today, as you can tell from the title. It's how to make this super cute and unique mini Dior crossbody bag or purse. I saw a photo of this before a few years back and I've been wanting to try it, so let's go. So before we get started, we'll need a few things. First is a Dior holiday makeup set that's released every winter. It usually comes with some mini lipsticks inside, and I'm not sure where mine have all rolled away to, but here's my case. It has a zipper opening and has a built-in mirror, and the zipper is gold with this really cute Dior zipper pull. Now my case is from an older holiday set, I think 2018, but Dior releases similar cases every winter. This past holiday in 2020 they released this design, which is so cute. I think 2019 had this specific design, and they all usually, well, at least when I purchased mine, it was around $180. I know holidays are over, but you can still find the bag with the lipsticks or without on eBay for around that same price range where it's not inflated. And yes, it is quite expensive as a DIY bag, but it is a lot lower than buying an actual Dior crossbody, which are well over $1,000. Okay, so first, of course, you will need your Dior case, some nails, though I do add a few other things later due to some technical difficulties. You'll see later. A hammer, and next you'll need some metal bag strap loops. I believe that's what they're called. I purchased mine from AliExpress, but you can find them on Amazon or Etsy. I will leave some links below for both. And they can probably be found at your local hobby store too. So for this project, I chose these half circle ones in gold to match the bag's decor and the zipper. But honestly, there are so many different colors and styles you can choose from, like this silver one or this really cute teardrop one. I really like this pair because it has this supportive plate on the back, which will keep the screws from pulling through the holes I'm going to make in my bag. Lastly, we will need some chains or shoulder straps. I, again, actually ordered a few different lengths and styles, and I got all of them from AliExpress. I will leave links below. But before you keep going, you have to make sure the clamp or claw on your chain can fit the thickness of your loop. I made a mistake of ordering all my clamps and chains that were too small to actually fit my loop. I do have this chain from my AliExpress Louis Vuitton dupe bag, which would fit my loop, which I do have a review on. I'll link it below if you're interested in watching that. But I decided at this point that I wanted one of my new chains on my bag. So what I decided was I'll put the clamp into the loop before I attach the loop to the bag. Okay, so now I am just determining where I want my loops to go. Once I have that down, I'm going to place the loops inside the bag and press down onto the fabric to create an indent so I know where to nail in my holes. And I'm sorry guys, it's sort of hard to see because of my angle. I struggled hammering the nails inside the bag, so I ended up hammering most of my nails from the outside of the bag. Now, I realized that due to the thickness of this part of my bag, the screws that came with my loops weren't going to be long enough to reach and screw in. So I had to make my holes much larger so that the loop can actually fit, like the whole loop can fit inside the hole of my bag, so then I can attach it together. I'm sorry, does that even make sense? But I had to break out some thicker screw heads and my Allen wrench to make my holes much, much larger. Now, once the first side was large enough, I made sure to place my clamp inside the loop before I attach it, and I did the same thing to the other side. But my chain was too long. Even wearing the bag crossbody style, the bag was falling nearly to my knees. So I had to go back and I had to remove my loops so I could remove the clamp, since they won't remove with the clamp because it was too thick. And then I had to reattach my loops. And then I ended up using my dupe Louis Vuitton chain anyways, which was my initial plan. Which I was able to just easily clamp on once the loops were on. Which actually still works out because Louis Vuitton owns Dior. But yeah, that's it. You're done. Here, I just wanted to show you what I could fit into it. I believe each year the size of the actual case is very similar. It should be the same size. And my bag fits quite a bit. It fit my bulky keys, a lip balm, some cards, lip gloss, a small perfume, some tweezers, and I had space left over, so I even added my little Swiss Army knife thing I was using. And also, I forgot to film this, but the zipper actually opens on the bottom of the bag when you're wearing it. So you would have to hold the bag up to open the bag so all your contents don't fall out. But isn't this just so bougie and cute? I hope you guys like this super easy and uber cute DIY. I have actually a few more really cute ideas for affordable designer bag hacks I have planned. And if you enjoyed this video and you'd like for me to make more, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!